Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see the fastest way to reduce CPU temperature on your PC or laptop. So the procedure for both is same. You have to go to the search icon right here and search for edit power plan. And you'll get something like this. It's situated in control panel. You can navigate it from your control panel too. So head over to it. Once you're there, you will find this layout and go to change advanced power settings. And here scroll down and just click on processor power management. And here go to maximum processor state and double tap it. And here just as you can see, it is 100% in both. So if you reduce it till 50 or 40%, your CPU power consumption will be low, your temperature will be low, but there might be some issues that you might face with this temperature of your CPU because it will work no better than like before. So you just have to reduce a smaller portion, like you have to make it 90%, and once you are done, tap on OK and the changes will be made. So yeah, this is how you can just reduce your CPU power temperature. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.